my god, it says it's gonna snow. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's snow. And I got like a text message from my school, like with defense at school. Well, I just woke up, so. And it texted, oh, it's a delay opening. I was like, the hell? Where's the, I need to go to delay opening. Where's the snow? Huh? And it's cold, and I have to talk to my mom on the phone and tell her I have to babysit tonight because I don't want to, and it's kind of weird, and my charger is kind of fucked up for my phone, so I want to keep that charger safe, and I'm trying to get it on my mom. I'll probably hopefully get one this weekend because I'm doing my nails done. I'm gonna get them pink because for spring and bright, and yeah, and I need to get nails. Anywho, it's gonna be fake nails, so yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah. Anywho, like, comment, subscribe, and sorry my other video cut off. So bye everyone.